This is a guide for the James Bond game 007 First Light on PC on how to change the field of view, the camera distance, and fix the pillar boxing that shows up if you have an aspect ratio that's not 16:9 like the ones in ultrawide monitors, making the cutscenes fill the entire screen. So the first thing we need to do is to go to this website right here. The link to it will be in the video description. We scroll down, then we go to the Files tab, and then we select the one that has the FOV that we want. If you can't find the one that you want from this list here, I will show you later on in the video how to make a custom one that suits your needs. So we go ahead and click on manual download, then slow download, and wait 5 seconds until the download starts. If this is your first time using this website, you might need to create an account and log in. Don't worry, it is completely free. Once it's done, we go ahead and open the downloaded archive. Now once you open it, just set the folder here to the side because we will need to go to the folder where the game is installed for us. To do this for Steam, we go ahead and open our Steam client, then go to the library of games, find the game in the library of games, right click on it, manage, then browse local files. We'll close Steam now or minimize it, then set this other folder to the side, then go back one folder until you see this folder right here called runtime. Since we will be replacing this text file here, we will need to make a backup of it in case something wrong happens. We can do this by just clicking a folder and name it backup, then drag and drop this specific file. The other two are huge files and we won't be making changes to them anyways, so it doesn't matter. We drag and drop these files now here, and once we launch the game, the changes will take effect immediately. Now in case you want to use custom field of view with custom camera distance as well, we will need to download Python, so we just go to the official Python website, then download it from here, click on install now, wait for the installation to finish, then close. Now we will need to install one package for it. We can do this by going to our start menu, type cmd and run it as admin, then type in the following command. Make sure it's exactly the same. I will leave this command for you in the video description to copy and paste. Once it's done, it should say successful. After that, we go ahead and download now this version of the mod, which is called Rebuilder FOV. We download it the same way as before. Manual download, slow download, then we go ahead and open the downloaded archive. Once you open it, we set it to the side here. Then we go to where the game is installed for us again, just like I've shown you before. We go to the runtime, and here we just drag and drop this folder inside the archive. We open the folder, then we run the cmd file inside it. If it doesn't work, that means you will have to drag the folder of the game to your desktop. To do this, we just go back until we get to the common folder and we see 007 First Light. We drag and drop it to our desktop, then open it, then open runtime. Then we drag the folder from inside the archive we downloaded into this runtime folder. We open it, then we double click on this cmd file and it should run now. From here, we just follow the instructions. We give it the values that we want. I will be using these values. Just press enter after each one. Once it's done, the game will create the necessary files and it would tell you at the end to press any key to exit. So press any key and close these folders. And now we take the folder back to where we got it from, inside the Steam folder. It's in the C drive, Program Files 86, Steam Apps, Common, then drag and drop it here, and that's it. Now from here, we will do the ultrawide letterboxing black borders fix. We go to this Nexus mod, we go to the Files tab, just like before. Then we download the first one by going to manual download, slow download. Now once it's done, we go to this GitHub project website. On the side, we go to releases. Then we download this specific DLL file, when http.dll. In case you get a warning on a download, you just allow it. These files are completely safe. Then we go ahead and open our downloads folder and open this downloaded archive. Then we go to where the game is installed for us by going to Steam now, browse local files. Now we stay in this retail folder and we drag and drop this file right here. Once you drop it, now we go back and open the other archive file and we do the same. And that's it. You don't have to configure anything. This will automatically adjust the aspect ratio, making the cutscenes fill the entire screen. So that's it for this guide. Hope it helped you out, and peace out.